Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to our English tropical garden. So this feature is actually the big leaves of the tropical garden, and here we've got the colocasia. I'm trying to see if you can get an idea of the size of that compared to my hand, and my hands are fairly small, but this is all growth this year from here. It grows from a bulb, and look at it, it's just so beautiful and translucent with the sun coming up on the September morning. Still growing. I'll have to put it inside for the winter, but I'm really pleased because it did die back, and this is what we've got this year. So fantastic, and I'm going to take you to see some more. And here we have another one. Look at this. This one's in a bit more of a shady spot, but it's doing so well. It's had sort of flowers growing, and look at this, magnificent. And again, look, against my hand. So as I say, the big leaves of the tropical garden. And then I'm coming back to, we'll go on to the final one. Here's another specimen that is enormous. Look, this leaf has got to be 1 metre across, and it's all growth from this year. It's probably about 2.5 metres in height. Look at that beautiful blue sky as well, and that great helicopter flying over. Look at this, look. Beautiful, beautiful plant. Roger hunted everywhere for this, and it hasn't been a disappointment in the garden at all. And here we go, look at this. I think it's called an Ensetia. Beautiful, beautiful banana. Well, it's a banana plant. And also the banana here. Look, these wonderful large leaves. And they make such a statement in the garden. So yes, I just wanted to share, because soon it's turning a bit chilly now, and yeah, things will need to start, I need to start thinking about wrapping them up, probably October. But look at this, magnificent, what a beautiful day. Little addition to my large leaves of a tropical garden is I've had a little visitor in the garden. I don't know, I have had a squirrel, so it could be that, but these looks a little bit bigger than I've seen before, so I'm wondering if it's a badger that's been visiting us in the night time. I'm going to have to stamp these down, but it's been very damp, so nice digging for worms and things, whatever it is. It's welcome, it's just nature. And here we have the, I think it's called Spanish moss. I hang it out here on the Trachycarpus for the summer and let it just take the moisture in of the in the air, and I'll bring that in the winter. Look at this. This was the original one that was bought. It's huge, and these are all ones that have been taken off from that. There is a video of how to propagate on our channel, so yeah, take a look. And the final large leaves of the day, look, the Trachycarpus, wonderful, Chusam palm, sun shining, the banana leaves entwined in it because they grow next to each other. Beautiful, beautiful. And this one actually came from seed, from a larger one behind it, which you probably can't see from here. Let's see if I can, this one here, look at this, came from seed from that. So yes, very, very lucky. Wow, what a day today. I do hope you've enjoyed this video of the giant leaves of our tropical garden. If you did, please like, and I hope to see you again soon.